Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Command Line Interface, CLI, is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with AWS services directly from the command line. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing AWS CLI using Python and provide code examples for basic AWS CLI commands. Before you install the AWS CLI, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Open a command prompt or terminal window and run the following command to install AWS CLI using Python's package manager, pip. This command installs the AWS CLI and its dependencies. After the installation is complete, verify that AWS CLI is installed correctly by running the following command. This command should display the version of the AWS CLI installed on your system. Before using AWS CLI, you need to configure it with your AWS credentials. Run the following command and follow the prompts. You will be prompted to enter your AWS Access Key ID, secret access key, default region, and output format. This command lists all S3 buckets in your AWS account. Replace your unique bucket name with a globally unique name for your bucket. Replace your local file.txt with the local file you want to upload. This command provides information about your EC2 instances. Replace your instance ID with the actual ID of your EC2 instance. Replace your instance ID with the actual ID of your EC2 instance. These are just a few examples of the many AWS CLI commands available. Refer to the AWS CLI documentation for a comprehensive list of commands and options. Congratulations! You have successfully installed AWS CLI using Python and executed basic AWS CLI commands. You are now ready to explore and manage your AWS resources from the command line. ChatGPT. Title: Getting Started with AWS CLI in Python, Installation and Basic Usage. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Command Line Interface, CLI, is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with AWS services from the command line. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing AWS CLI using Python and provide some basic usage examples. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. The recommended way to install AWS CLI is by using the AWS CLI package, which can be installed using pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This will install the AWS CLI along with its dependencies. Once the installation is complete, you need to configure AWS CLI with your AWS credentials. Run the following command. You will be prompted to enter your AWS Access Key ID, secret access key, default region, and output format. Make sure to obtain your access keys from the AWS Management Console. To ensure that AWS CLI is installed correctly and configured, you can run a simple command to list your S3 buckets. Execute the following command. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a list of your S3 buckets. To list your EC2 instances, use the following command. To create an S3 bucket, replace your unique bucket name with a unique name for your bucket and execute the following command. To upload a file to an S3 bucket, replace your file.txt, your unique bucket name, and your remote object key with the appropriate values. These are just a few basic examples to get you started. The AWS CLI provides extensive functionality for interacting with various AWS services from the command line. Congratulations! You've successfully installed AWS CLI using Python and executed some basic commands. Feel free to explore more AWS CLI commands and options to suit your needs. ChatGPT.